I have to drag this actor right here. Okay, let's remove this first trouble. So in this point of interest, show on minimap. Now we can see him in our minimap. So now what I want to do, if we go further away, we want to hide that point of interest. So in our point of interest minimap, right here, create a variable. This is going to be is static. Set this to boolean, and I'm going to create another one is static instant readable expose on spawn. Oops. Let's get this is static. We have to set this with our static is a static variable. That's all. And now right here I'm going to get is static, create a branch. Okay, we can also convert that to a branch. Let's not do that. So is it true? I have to get this vector length of this fine coordinate. And then is it greater or equal than this value? Copy this note and place them right here. Then I'm going to create a branch, set this on false. Okay, then I have to get this icon point of interest image, set visibility on true. We want to set them to hidden, on false non-hittable testable self only. Now let's set this to okay, it doesn't matter. How you can see it's gone, but it's kind of flaking in our minimap at the edge. So to fix that, maybe minus oops 26. We have to change this value a little bit. No, it doesn't work. 27 is okay. Maybe add some value right here, maybe 2. Now it's working properly. Here you can see. Let's say we want to set this to static. Now it will appear in our minimap for the entire time. So let's select this one and then set this to static. Now we can see those marker in our minimap because those marker are static. I'm going to set this to, this is going to be not static, this is static, also this one.